In December, we had a Microsoft meeting in Dallas with the independent colleges and universities of Texas. And as part of that meeting, PowerBI was brought up. There was significant interest amongst the group. So what we're working to coordinate right now is 3 sessions, hands-on training with the schools. So we'll bring out a partner, Trivium BI, where they'll walk through, kind of setting up what a dashboard is, Power BI in more detail. It's a different area for us because we traditionally work with the IT side, but this is going to bring in some of the business folks, different departments on campus that could leverage Power BI. So we're doing 3 sessions in Abilene, in Dallas, and then in San Antonio. So it's something unique outside of the norm for me, at least.
Yeah, and we're looking to do similar engagements with the associations that I'm working with. And I think what we often find is when one of these things is successful somewhere with an association that we work with, we want to replicate that with our other partners and find ways to make sure that we're bringing that same experience where we're finding real value for these institutions and by extension the associations, of course, as well. So, Mike mentioned the Power BI workshop. We've done that with the Georgia Independent College Association. We're looking to engage with other associations that we work with to do something similar because we've just gotten such good feedback. And I think a lot of what we do is really driven on the feedback that we get from the institutions on if that's something that they want to continue exploring, or what are some other areas that you'd like us to try to do unique events like this. So it's kind of driven by trends that we see as a company and share with each other, but also very much by the needs of institutions and what they're kind of sharing with us.